Hey boys and girls, welcome back to your virtual science class. Today, we are going to try to answer the question, how do plant structures help them to grow and survive? We've been studying this throughout our first 3 lessons. I want you to look at all of these vegetables. I brought a potato, a radish, a beet, and a carrot. Raise your hand if you've ever eaten one of these. I have. I like my carrots with ranch. Do you guys know what kind of plants these are, though? Where do they grow? I've never seen a potato plant or a carrot tree before. All of these vegetables actually grow under the ground, which is why you don't see them. They're called roots. I want you to think for a minute about what you know about roots and what you're hoping to learn. For example, I know that roots are underground. I also know that roots are a part of the plant. But I'm wondering, why do plants need roots? Take a minute to pause this video and write down in a KWL chart what you know about roots and what you're hoping to learn. When you're ready, come back and press play again. Okay, great. I'm glad that you're back. Today, we're going to learn about roots and try to answer your questions by going on a root hunt. So you're going to need a couple of things. You might need a brown paper bag. You could use a plastic bag or a Ziploc bag or anything else that you could use to hold your roots. You might also need some gloves for safety. I didn't have any and my hands were fine, but be careful if the plant has any thorns or stickers. When you're collecting, you know that roots are below the ground. So it might help to know that if you grip the plant by the base of it, the part that's towards the ground, and pull up, you're more likely to get the roots out. I want you to think about, do you think this is going to be easy or hard to pull up the plants? Why? When you get back, I want you to take a look and make some observations. What did the roots look like? Did they all look the same? What do you think the job or the function of those roots are? I'll meet you right back here in our virtual classroom once you've collected your roots. See you soon.